Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on September the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $5.6 on regular hours, and on pre-market hours, as you can see right here, the price was $5.46. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we've completed 5 waves structure to the upside, and we have to see the cooldown. And usually the cooldown should have a shape of simple zigzag, and we could land somewhere from 0.32 through 0.5 all the way down to 0.2, basically the golden pocket range. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO. We were at this very top, and as you can see, we had the first movement to the downside that broke its previous swing low, and this breakout was pretty much the confirmation of the retracement. We hit the first range of support. According to Elliott wave theory, it is 0.236 Fib level, and we have basically not more than 15% to see this shallow retracement, and we have basically 15% to see the trend reversal out of this range. And guys, take a look right here. The very next session, right after it had this movement to the downside, it went up. Yeah, and for now, guys, take a look right here. It retested basically the range of resistance, and it hit the double top pattern. And for now, it is exactly at the range of support, again, that was drawn by me back in the days at $5.41. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look again on its price action, and you might wonder, how did I know that this asset should go lower? And it is quite simple. I showed you this in my previous video, and let me repeat it for you. So we have completed 5-wave structure to the upside from this bottom, and by the way, I caught this range of accumulation back in end of August. And from this level, we completed all 5 waves, and according to Elliott wave theory, we have to see the retracement right after the entire structure is completed. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. We hit exactly with this range, we hit exactly the same swing high, and every type of this major trend reversals might act as ranges of resistances or ranges of support. As you can see, we can see pretty much the same pattern right here. We had a few touches of this level of about $4.3, and we have another couple of touches right here. And guys, technical analysis is extremely powerful tool if you know how to properly use it. That is why, guys, you can use my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. But let's take a look on its fundamentals. And first of all, let me show you that according to cnvpost.com, we are about to see the launch of new sub-brand of NIO, ONVO L60. As you can see, launch event begin at 7:30 p.m. Beijing time on September 19th. And definitely it is quite interesting news, but in general, investors want to see the number of vehicles that this sub-brand will produce. On top of that, the relationships in between ONVO and NIO should also be crystal clear. And for now, we know that ONVO is 100% subsidiary of NIO. That is why this launch might also be a catalyst for NIO. But guys, this catalyst cannot be the short-term catalyst. On top of that, you know that for now, we have just several hours left till the Fed announces its decision in regards to the interest rates, and a lot of investors are waiting for the rate cuts by 0.25 or even 0.5%. And guys, both of these cases, in my opinion, are priced in the market, and that is why, guys, most likely, and it is just my personal opinion, we might see the movement to the downside right after the decision is made. That is why, despite the fact that we have the next leg to the upside, and we are scratching again this range of resistance, my main assumption, and by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. My main assumption is still the same. We have to see the lower price action for NIO, and the only concerning part for me is following. Guys, you know that the structure of Elliott waves should have a proper subdivisions, and A wave should have a 3 or 5 wave structure, and if it is the bottom of the A wave, we have 1, 2, 3 waves inside it. B wave should have strictly 3 waves in it. But here, this is the lowest point of its price action. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves. And this is the most concerning part, because B wave shouldn't have 5 waves in it, and that is why I still have some doubts about the upcoming movement. But guys, we have crucial points. For now, we still have the range of resistance at $5.66 as the major range that should be broken in order to confirm the movement to the upside. And in this case, it might be the next set of waves on a bigger scale that should land. Let me show you. Let me show you somewhere here. That should break its previous swing highs at roughly $6 mark. And if it happens, if this breakout happens, definitely the ABC correction should be somewhere like this. And why I don't like this count either? Let me show you that this retracement happened within basically just a couple of sessions, basically within one session. And the movement to the upside, as you can see from this bottom, was made from August 28th, let me show you, from August 28th till September 11th, and it took about 14.5 days to hit this range, and this type of retracement is not the best one, not only in terms of its depth, because 0.236 doesn't have good statistics to see a trend reversal, and the second part is it is not so good in terms of its time. We have to see much longer retracement that is comparable to the size, to the time basically of its previous movement to the upside. That is why, guys, I don't have a proper decision whether you have to long or short this stock. It is definitely not a financial advice, but the crucial point from the upside is this range of resistance, and the crucial point from the downside is this range of support. Depending on the breakout, and by the way, we are exactly in the middle of this range, and I have to say that depending on the breakout above the range of resistance or below the range of support, we might confirm 1 out of 2 potential forecasts. So I think we have to wait on the sidelines, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.